Logan Carter had made many mistakes in his life. Once a promising engineer, he had let his temper and stubborn pride cost him everything: his job, his friends, and even his relationship with his younger brother, Dylan. Years had passed since they last spoke, and the silence between them had only grown heavier with time. One evening, Logan received an unexpected letter. It was from Dylan. It wasn't filled with anger or blame, just a simple request. "Meet me at the old bridge." The message was short, but it struck something deep within Logan. The old bridge was their childhood spot, a place where they spent summers fishing, skipping rocks, and talking about everything. Now, it was just another abandoned structure in their forgotten past. For the first time in years, Logan felt something other than regret. He felt the need to fix what was broken. So, he packed a bag, got in his car, and drove hours back to their hometown, unsure of what he would find. When he arrived, the bridge looked just as it had in his memories: sturdy, strong, but weathered by time. And there, standing at the center, was Dylan. They stared at each other for a long moment, neither knowing where to begin. Finally, Logan spoke. "I thought you'd never want to see me again." Dylan shrugged. "I thought so too. But then I realized something. Bridges don't fix themselves. Someone has to rebuild them." Logan swallowed hard. He had spent so much time assuming the damage was too great to repair, never considering that all it took was a step forward. They talked for hours about their past, their mistakes, and the time they had wasted apart. It wasn't easy, and it wasn't perfect, but it was a start. And sometimes, a start was all that mattered. As the sun set behind them, Logan realized that some things in life don't have to be lost forever. Some things, like bridges and broken relationships, can always be rebuilt if only someone is willing to try. Moral of the story: it's never too late to rebuild what's broken.